This is not a clickbait. It is really, really a video where you're going to learn how this business were able to generate $7,500 per month selling websites with this exact strategy that I've been preaching since the beginning of my Reborn as a Newbie series. So if you stumbled across this video, you can go watch the first one where I'm basically sharing everything from 0 to 10K. I'm at zero still right now, but I've already achieved that milestone with my other business. And in this series, basically, I'm just doing it all over again in the roofing industry. So, surprisingly, yesterday I was doing some research to see if there was anyone else that was doing that. And to my big surprise, I come across this blog post from FramerByte. By the way, they are basically selling templates as a main service, but they decided to conduct a hypothesis that, they probably could sell more websites. And so they decided to pick one of their templates and start doing some outreach. And turned out they made 16K in 2 months. But let's actually see why they really, really did. I'm going to give you the TLDR. Basically, they also chose the roofing industry, and they picked one of their template, which was basically they already had a template for roofers, and they started doing the same thing. And they inspired me to become even more lazy in a sense, because what they were doing is just changing the hero section and sending an image, not even doing the full build on Framer as I was doing. That was quite refreshing, even though this is last year. Okay, it's not like 6 years ago. And I can assess for a fact that this method still works to this day and will work for a very, very, very long time. Anyway, so what they do is they take their template, they change the hero section by putting the logo of the business, and then they send this message: hey, I have noticed that you don't have a website for your business yet, so I have designed one for you. Check below. Let me know if you want to see the rest. This is what I've been sending. That's it. The only difference with me is I was doing mix, basically sending to people who already have a website and to others who also doesn't have a website. And moving forward, I'm going to focus on people who don't have a website. That will be way, way more easier to sell, and I'm going to get results faster. And so also another point is the volume. With this particular method, which is kind of more lazy, you get to send more messages because it's just faster. You can expect to do 10, 20 per day in, I'd say, half of the time, instead of doing it on Framer. You can just do it on Figma, and all what you have to do is changing the logo and the colors, and then take a screenshot. That's it. So that's pretty much it for this. And they were selling it for 1,500 to 2K. Bear in mind, I have an interested prospect for 3.5. Still didn't get that sale, but it's in the pipeline per se. Anyway, here you have it. If you were skeptical in a sense, then I can assure you this works. Okay, like this is not something like uh, oh uh, for sure it doesn't work. That was just like 1 year ago, blah, blah, blah. I mean, all the skeptical are just going to stay behind, fortunately for us, because there are at least 10,000 roofers just in the state, like just in the US. And I think that's actually bullshit. Let me see how many. How many roofing companies in the US? Oh, my goodness. Bruh. There are 80,000, near 80,000 roofing contractor businesses in the state. This is crazy. In Canada, let me see in Canada. Okay, I don't really see. forecast. Anyway, it's like 11 billion revenue like industry. So there's a place for everyone here at the end of the day. And yeah, I mean, moving forward, I'm going to focus on businesses that doesn't have a website, that don't have a website. When it comes to me personally, I've done my first follow-ups, and today I was able to do 15 redesigns because I was more lazy. What I did was, now I don't rename the pages. It's just homepage demo. That alone like took me maybe 20 minutes less. Just doing that for every single time for every page was taking me like, I'd say 30 seconds. So that's a lot when you combine all of those together. So yeah, in 1 hour I was able to do 15, if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah. So that was for 15. Damn. And yeah, moving forward, I had a response from someone saying that they're not interested, but again, like they already had the website and they're kind of doing good. So yeah, that's why I'm going to focus on those who don't have a website. And the way that I'm gonna do that is with Outscraper. I'm gonna like buy a list for $50, and all what I have to do is sort that by those who don't have a website, and then focus on those. That's pretty much it. Tomorrow you'll see me going that route, and I'm going to up my outreach to 20 per day at least. So today was 15, plus I send the follow-ups. And yeah, by tomorrow again, same thing. I'm going to finish the list here, to be fair, but yeah, I'm going more lazy and more effective just to get like first results as fast as possible, and then double down on that. Anyway, if you want to skip all of those like waiting for my videos and so on, I have my course, $37, and you get to know everything that I've done and that I'm doing now to get those first clients for my med spa industry, and what I'm doing right now for the roofing industry. So you can get it for $37, or you're not obligated, to be fair. You just follow my series and you can learn everything for free. So I'll see you tomorrow.